Hey there, wonderful people. Before we dive into today's topic, let me ask you this. Why did the blood pressure monitor break up with the thermometer? It just couldn't handle the pressure. Smiley face. Alright, now that I've got your heart rate up for the right reasons, let's talk about how to keep it down in the best way possible, without medication. Today, we're going to talk about how you can take control of your blood pressure naturally. Here's the deal, whether you succeed in lowering your blood pressure is 90% up to you. That's right, you hold the power. Body weight first up. Let's talk about body weight. If you've got hypertension, keeping your weight within normal limits is crucial. Aim for the lean side. Did you know that losing just 10 kilograms can drop your blood pressure by a whopping 20 millimeters of mercury? Yep, shedding those extra pounds can really lighten the load on your heart. Diet modifications. Next on the list is tweaking your diet. To keep that blood pressure in check, focus on foods that are rich in plants, veggies, and fruits. Aim for at least 5 servings of each daily. If you're wondering which plants can give you the most bang for your buck, consider adding flaxseed, beetroot, and celery to your diet. Get this? Just by eating better, you could lower your blood pressure by 14 millimeters of mercury. Not too shabby, right? Exercise now. Let's get moving. Regular exercise is key. Try some aerobic activities that get you moving and grooving for about 30 minutes, 5 times a week. If you're into lifting, throw in some weight training twice a week to build strength. And if you're in the senior category, don't forget about balance training. These exercises can lower your blood pressure by 9 millimeters of mercury, another solid step towards better health. Reduce salt intake. Let's talk salt, specifically, reducing it. Getting used to blander food may not sound fun, but it can reduce your blood pressure by 8 millimeters of mercury. And if you're someone who enjoys a drink, cutting back on alcohol will also help. Managing stress, my friends, is a sneaky culprit. Acute stress can temporarily spike your blood pressure, while chronic stress can keep it elevated. Learning to manage stress effectively is essential in this journey. When to see a doctor. Self-treatment to control high blood pressure without medication. Self-treatment to control high blood pressure without medication. Now, if after all this hard work your blood pressure still won't dip below 130, it might be time to check in with the doctor. Remember, medication is there to help temporarily, but the real magic happens when you stick to these 4 self-treatment plans. So, let's recap. To take control of your blood pressure, focus on these 4 key areas: lose weight, exercise regularly, shift to a plant-based diet, and reduce your salt intake. Stick with these, and you might just find you don't need medication anymore. And there you have it, folks. If you enjoyed this video and want more tips on health and exercise, and some family-friendly laughs, hit that subscribe button. After all, if you're not subscribing, who will be left to laugh at my next joke? Smiley face. Stay healthy, stay happy, and I'll see you in the next video.